Candles, fibs, crosses, EMAs. It's the tools of the day trade. Don't be a noob and trade on websites that don't give you BitBoy bonuses. Click the link in the description to get set up on ByBit or Femex and get an insane sign-up bonus for being part of the BitSquad. Leverage trade responsibly, but do it the right way on Femex or ByBit. Bonus details in the links below.
BitBoy Crypto Morning TA. Good morning, everybody. It's November 4th, 2021. My name is Matty B. That is Scaramucci's. This is your morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing, all the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni, bringing the data. The FOMO index has dipped to 73 from yesterday, 76. Bitcoin dominance is at 42.9%. 24-hour volume is at 135 billion. And the overall market cap is 2.72 trillion. Give or take 100 million. Well, one thing's for sure. I shouldn't have talked about how good the moving averages shepherd's pie was. Because I suppose price action couldn't get it out of its mind. Just had to try it. We said yesterday if Bitcoin were to feel the pull and test of the 20, it would be way down at the 61 level. And wow, it really wanted some shepherd's pie. It basically jumped in the car, drove straight to 61, overshot it all the way down to 60, and had what they call in the food biz a shepherd's pie buyer's remorse. And it came straight back up, but that connection has been made, and the space we had from the 20 has been lost. And as of right now, we are nestled in the loving arms of the 20. Head on shoulders, slow dancing to Dreamweaver in the center of the gymnasium underneath the disco ball. Now, zooming out on the daily, it really is just retesting that bull flag and triangle breakout support line, which is prudent. Annoying, but prudent nonetheless. I can see the building inspectors coming to the site and insisting on testing the 59.4 level. Worst case scenario. But let's hope those low-level no-show mob workers at the gate keep those union bullies out. Taking a quick look at the 4-hour chart, all I can say when I look at this wick is, come on. I mean, what else can you say but, come on. I might add some, really, but that's all I'm going to say about it, because it's really just silly and unfortunate that these flash crashes happen. Basically on a weekly basis now. But on the bright side, it opens up some great limit buys to get filled. You could always start eating whale food and put limit orders in at 60K. And make some quick snipes. It's dicey, but it's there for the taking if one wants. Now, how about that Ethereum? She's doing pretty good if all-time highs is your bag. Now, the sick degen in me wants nothing more than price action to go up and up forever like it's been doing, but the dad in me, who errs on the side of safety and caution, wants to see ETH blow off a little steam and pull back to 43.80, just to ditch some of those rich college kids he's hanging out with right now. Get back to its roots and then continue up. If you start with that rich kid crowd, you forget when trouble comes, and it always does. Rich kids have rich dads who have rich friends that will keep them out of trouble. ETH doesn't. We don't know where ETH's dad is, which is sad. But it's what makes ETH ETH. It's what gave it its work ethic and drive for market dominance. Now show me a rich kid with a work ethic and I'll show you a short sprint to a trust fund. Now back on the weekly Bitcoin chart, we can see we're still in the throes of market Xanadu, indecision, and equilibrium, with essentially 3 weeks of star-crossed candles. Now I don't like to see these at the top of runs. Historically, they can mean that a reversal is in the works. But with 3 in a row, which you rarely ever see, there's a lot of back and forth, negation, and confirmations being disqualified. I like to look at it as a pit stop, my friends. Bitcoin's painting the fence with Miyagi and wiping the deck, wondering what all this wax on, wax off means. It means that patience gets the chicken by letting the egg hatch, not by smashing it. So remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected lead. Or you can, that's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. A BitBoy crypto morning tea. Ooh. A chit. Hadouken!